In this example, we will explain how a postfix expression is evaluated with the help of stack. Remember, the postfix expression is also called as reverse Polish notation. In the previous modules, we have discussed how we can convert an expression in infix form to postfix. We are assuming that the student has undergone to that module. If not, please first refer that module and then you can go through this module. Already we have mentioned that most of the calculators and high level languages, they employ stack to first convert the infix expression to postfix, and then they use stack to evaluate the postfix expression. So in this module, we assume that we are having a postfix expression at our disposal. Moreover, we do assume that the operands are single digit operands. Also, we use the stack and related functions defined in the previous modules. That is, the stack having character array we will be using for this purpose. Thus, the operands we assume single digit operands. However, users are asked to recall one fact, that is, digit. And if you want a digit value, we have to subtract 48 from it. For example, symbol 9, ASCII code is 57. If I subtract 48, we will get value 9. So this fact is required to be remembered. As usual, all the structures, functions like pop, peek, is full, is empty are used, which are defined in the previous modules. The main theme behind reverse RPN evaluation is as follows. We traverse the expression whenever we encounter operand, we push into the stack. That is, we will be getting operand stack here. Remember, in the case of infix to postfix expression evaluation, we will be having operator stack, whereas here operand stack we will be getting. Whenever we encounter an operator in the postfix expression, first we pop and take the operand. That we will consider the second operand. Then again we pop. We consider that one as the first operand. And between these two, we apply the current operator. And then the result will be pushed into the stack. Like this, we traverse the postfix expression till the end is encountered. After that, whatever is left in the stack is the value of the expression. For example, in this slide, we have a postfix expression that is 1, 2, 3 plus star. First we will push into the stack 1, then 2, then 3. Then we have plus operator. So we pop, that is 3 we will get, it is considered as second operand. Then again we will pop, we will get 2, that is considered as a first operand. And then we apply the operator plus, that is 2 plus 3 is calculated. The result is 5, that is pushed into the stack now. Next, we will go to the next character in the postfix string, that is now star. Thus, again we pop. So what is there in the top of the stack now? 5. That 5 will be considered as the second operand. Again we pop, we get 1. We apply into, then push the result, that is 5, that is 1 into 5 into the stack. Now, there are no more operators, or there are no more characters in the postfix string. Thus, we finally pop, print, that is the result of the expression, that is 5. Like this, postfix expression is evaluated using stack. The function eval is used for the purpose of evaluating the operator. First and second operands A, B are sent, and the third argument is the operator. The function returns the value of the operation. However, 48 is subtracted from the result of the operation, as we are planning to maintain characters in the stack, and moreover in the main program, when we pop, we get character, that is digits. So to get the actual value, we already said we have to subtract 48. So that operation we are doing in the main, that is the reason why here we are subtracting 48 and then pushing or returning from this function. This function is used in the main program. The main program uses a stack type of variable A and stack type of pointer variable P, and also expression string is available in the variable X, that is string variable X, that is reverse Polish notation string is assumed to be available in the string X. First, the pointer variable, stack type of pointer variable is made to point to A, and then stack is initialized such a way that its top value becomes -1. Now, the for loop is used to traverse the postfix string character by character. If it is a digit, it will be pushed into the stack. Otherwise, it will pop 2 operands from the stack and the operation is evaluated, the results will be pushed into the stack again. This is repeated till the null is encountered in the postfix string. At the end, whatever value available in the stack, that will be popped. As we are going to get character from the stack, so we will subtract 48 to get the integer value. Like this, actual operation works. One is pushed into the stack. Now 2 is also pushed into the stack. Now 3 is also pushed into the stack. Now we have encountered plus, thus the topmost object from the stack is popped and it is assigned to B. One more object is popped out from the stack, that is 2 we will be getting, that is assigned to the variable A. Now with the help of the function eval, the operation is evaluated, that is plus operation, that is 2 plus 3 is calculated, the result is again pushed into the stack, that is 5 will be pushed into the stack. Again we encountered an operator into, thus topmost object on the stack is popped, that is 5 you will be getting out from the stack, that is assigned to the variable B. One more operator is popped out from the stack, that is 1 we will be getting, that will be assigned to the variable A. The function eval is called, then the into operator is evaluated, that is 1 into 5 is calculated, that is assigned or again pushed back into the stack. Now 3 is pushed into the stack. 2 is pushed into the stack. Now we encountered plus operator, thus the topmost object, that is 2 is popped and assigned to the variable B. One more object is popped, that is 3 will be getting, that is assigned to A. Now 3 plus 2 is evaluated, the result is pushed into the stack again. Now we have star character in the postfix string, thus we pop and assign to the resultant to the variable B, that is B value becomes 5. Again we pop, we get 5, that is assigned to the variable A. Now the eval function is called, which evaluates the value, that is 5 into 5, and the result will be pushed into the stack again. Now we have reached the end of the postfix string, thus the last printf statement will pop the value from the stack and print that as the result of this expression, that is we will be getting 25 as the result of the expression. However, don't get confused, we have repeatedly mentioning that the stack what we have used is character stack, thus we are maintaining the digits, and also we mentioned that our operands are single digit operands. Thus whenever we get from the stack, we will be getting character. To get the value of the digit, we are subtracting 48. Similarly, the result, when we are trying to push into the stack, we are just adding 48 and pushing. Similarly, at the end also, in the stack we have a character, final results of the expression as a character. So to get the value, we are subtracting 48. So like this, postfix expression will be evaluated with the help of the stack.